Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Open SPSS and import your dataset from CSV or Excel through File, Open Data. Inspect the variable view to confirm string and numeric types. Scan the data view for blanks and anomalous entries visually. Use Analyze, descriptive statistics to detect outliers and frequency issues. Recode inconsistent categories using Transform, recode into same variables or different variables. Create derived measures with Transform. Compute variable using clear, documented formulas and labels for reproducibility. Start exploration by running frequencies and descriptives to summarize key variables. Build histograms, box plots, and scatterplots in graphs, chart builder to visualize distributions. Check central tendency, spread, skewness, and kurtosis numerically for each variable. Use Analyze, descriptive statistics, explore to test normality, including Shapiro-Wilk for small samples. Inspect Levine's test under Compare Means to assess homogeneity of variance. Document any violated assumptions to choose appropriate inferential tests later in the workflow. Select inferential procedures after assumption checks and data preparation are complete. Run t-tests, ANOVA, or non-parametric alternatives depending on distribution and variance results. Use Analyze, correlate for Pearson or Spearman correlations as appropriate. Fit linear models with Analyze, regression, and include standardized coefficients, confidence intervals, and p-values. Save syntax using the paste button to allow replication and auditing of analyzes. Export tables and figures via File, Export, or copy them as.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.